Shalom Talmidim, and welcome to class number 4. In this class, we will cover lessons 10, 11, 12, and 13. So today for our review, we're going to read, divide into syllables, transliterate, and write in cursive. So the first word is rag, lay, nu. Ragleinu. The second word, tar, the first shva stops a syllable, and when you have two shvas, the second one has its own syllable. Ne, gol, tarnegol. The third word, a, vo, te, nu, avotenu. The last word, la, a, sot, la, sot. Now let's transliterate. Rag, lenu, 3 syllables. Tarnegol, 3 syllables. Avotenu, 4 syllables. La'asot, 3 syllables. Now we're going to write in cursive. First word, rag, le, nu. We won't put in the nikudot. The second one is tar, ne, gol, tarnegol. Third word, a, vo, te, nu. Avotenu. And the last one, la, a, sot. Make sure you're practicing your cursive on a separate sheet of paper. So in lesson 10, we have 2 new letters and 1 new vowel. The new vowel is called sigol. Sounds like an e and transliterated with an e. Our first letter is hey. Hey is transliterated as an H and is pronounced as an H. Chet is transliterated in many ways. You'll see it with CH, you'll see it with KH, and in Israel, you'll see it with an X. One of the words that we have a chet with is Hanukkah. And so sometimes you'll see Hanukkah spelled with a CH, and sometimes if you can't really say the cha, you'll see it with an H, Hanukkah. Now, when head ends a word with a patak, it is pronounced ak and not ka. So this word would be ruach. Let's look at the words in our book. Torah, ha-Torah, shana, hashana, modeh, nodeh, Elohe, Eloheinu, achat, tachat, yachad, chadash, chodesh, ak, nak, malak, mashak, shalak, ruach, luach, sameach, oreach, yareach, lechem, cheder, erev, eved, negev. So let's read some of the vocabulary words, and remember that all of these words are on Quizlet. So you can go over them anytime you want. B'nai, gan, ner, gam, ger. Second line, lanu, raglenu, dorenu, Avotenu. Third line, Gar, Lagur, Lenagen, Menagen. Fourth line, Gadol, Gadal, Gadlu, Gaon. Next line, Goel, Magen, Gemara. Next line, Gamal, Tarnakol, Agorot. And the last line, Noded, Nadad, Noseh, Nasa. So now we've learned enough letters that we can count to 10. So let's start. Number 1, Achat. 2, Shtaim. 3, Shalosh. 4, Arba. 5, Hamesh. 6, Shesh. 7, Shava. 8, Shmone. 9, Tesha. And 10, Eser. In lesson 11, we have one letter, but it's written in different ways. So let's look at the first one, Kaf. It has a hard sound because it has a dogish in the middle. It sounds like a K transliterated with a K. Then you have Chaf. This sounds like an H in the back of the throat, and they will transliterate with an H or CH or a KH. Then you have a Chaf Sofit, which is written in two different ways. You have a Chaf Sofit with the Shva, sounds like an ending K, and transliterated with K. But then you also have a Chaf Sofit with a Kamatz, sounds like a Ka in the throat and transliterated CHA. Let's look at line 7, Ochel, Ochel, Lahu, the Kol. And sometimes you'll see the Kaf with a Kamatz underneath and it's an O sound, almost always Kol. Sheba Kol, line 8, Malche, Malchut, Barchu, Alechem. Line 9, Kacha, Chamocha, Shachach, Chachem, Ek, Uk, Lak, Shek, Ok. Line 11, Melech, Derek, Orek, Hoshek. Line 12, Lakha, Takha, Makha, Gakha, Vakha, Rukha. Line 13, Amka, Shemecha, Yadekha, Beteka. Line 14, Yevarek, Betok, Levavcha, Levavcha, Levavecha. So now we're going to do some transliterating and writing of our new letters. The first word is Malkenu. Malkenu. Mal. K. Nu. Malkenu. Next word, Koach. This one does not have a cholam, just has a little dot at the top that tells you that's an O sound. Next word, Baruch. Baruch. Ba. Ruk. Kapsofit. Next word, Holeket. Holeket. Now this one, it's kind of hard to draw sometimes. Holeket. Holeket. And this one, the little tail, because it's a top. So now let's read a portion of one of the Jewish prayers. Baruch Shem Kavod Malkuto Leolam Va'ed. Blessed be his name, whose glorious kingdom is forever and ever. Oh, what did you do that for? So now we're on page 88, line 1. Liomod, Lishmoa, Lishloach, Lashir. Line 2. Lachakot, Lirot, Litov, Lahakir. Line 3. Ledaber, Laasot, Laleket, Lahatchil. Line 4. Ivrit, Anglit, Ani, Bait, Habaita. And line 5. Ani Yachol Litov Uledaber Ivrit. And now you can say, I can write and speak Hebrew. Lesson 13, we have the letter for pay and fay and a new vowel. So let's look at pay. Pay has a doggish, so it has a hard sound, p. Sounds like a P and is transliterated with a P. Fay has no doggish, so it's the soft sound. Sounds like an F and is transliterated with an F. Our new vowel is called Kubutz. The Kubutz makes a sound like oo in zoo, and you transliterate it with a U. So let's look at line 1. Shofar, Pri, Po, Iparon. Line 2. Purim, Hanukkah, Hamash, Parasha. Line 3. Yafe, Efo, Rofe, Hafshi. Line 4. Efshar, Afilu, Lifamim. Line 5. Kipa, Pe, Panim, Arucha. Line 6. Mishpacha, Tefillah, Poteach, Laila. So let's read the blessings before the Torah. Baruch et Adonai Hamvorach. Baruch Adonai Hamvorach Leolam Va'ed. Baruch Atah Adonai Eloheinu Melech Haolam Asher Bachar Banu Mikol Hamim Benatan Lanu et Torato. Baruch Atah Adonai Noten HaTorah. So now we're going to sing a song, En Kelohenu. En Kelohenu, En Kadonenu, En Kemokenu, En Kamoshienu, Mi Kelohenu, Mi Kadonenu, Mi Kemokenu, Mi Kamoshienu, Nodel Elohenu, Node l'Adonenu, Node l'Emokenu, Node l'Moshienu, Baruch Eloheinu, Baruch Adonenu, Baruch Malkeinu, Baruch Moshienu, Atahu Eloheinu, Atahu Adonenu, Atahu Malkeinu, Atahu Moshienu. So let's see how much of your conversation you remember. How do you say, hello, students? Shalom, Talmidim. How are you? Ma shlomcha or ma shlomech? Okay. Beseder. Good. Tov. I'm Sue. Ani Sue. Who are you? Mi'at or mi'ata? Where do you live? Eifo gar or eifo gara? I live in Ani gar be Dallas or Ani gara be Dallas. Where's the bus? Eifo ha'autobus? Where's the restroom? Eifo ha'shirutim? Ken? No. Lo. Thank you. Toda. And goodbye. Lahitraot. Lahitraot, Talmidim. See you next class.